I'm back with another video, you guys, and today we're going to discuss my 9 income sources that make me over $74,000 last month. Alright, let's get right into it. Frugal Mom Life here. I'm back with another video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I talk about everything personal finance, frugal living, and how to make money at home. So if you're interested in those topics, go ahead and subscribe, leave a comment down below, and like this video. Okay, let's get right into it. Today we're going to talk about my 9 income sources that brings me over $74,000 last month. Okay, to start off is number 1, cryptocurrency. I have a crypto.com account that invested $10,000 originally into this account, and as of today, okay, as you guys can see, I'm at over 63,000 in this account. If you are interested in having a crypto.com account, the description is down below. So yes, as you guys can see, I made over $50,000 in this account investing. So that would be my number 1 pick in this account. I don't have Bitcoin and Ethereum. Those are in my cold wallet. But on this exchange, I have my altcoins. I had invested in RSR, Harmony, Dogecoin, Seller, Everpedia, VThor, and Shiba Inu. And obviously, they have 10x for me. Some of them have 5x, 2x. Either way, if you're not investing in cryptocurrency, you're living under a rock. Right now, it is the easiest way, the fastest way to grow your wealth. Okay, number 2, I would say stocks. Stocks brought me in a lot of money last month. I had put in $1,000. Actually, I had put in my M1 account, I had put in some amount, and you guys can see for yourselves that I'm at I hope you guys can see that, over $1,672 in my M1 account. So I made $1,672, and in my Webull account, had originally put only in $5,000. I'm at $7,480. It's going up and down, but pretty much we're red right now, but it's okay. You know, with stocks, it usually goes up, and I don't sell until it's green. So that is an additional $2,847. So my stock portfolio alone has brought me about $4,000. Okay, my next source of income is rental. I had to purchase a rental property with the help of my parents when I was 18, and I rent that property out, and I make $2,400 each month. I am in lovely South Florida, so we know this is the vacation destination. So if I wanted to, I can rent out my property to Airbnb and make 10 times that amount. But right now I am looking into possibly doing something like that, but I'm not comfortable yet in renting out to Airbnb. But that is something I want to do in the future to get more like $10,000, $20,000 a month. My next source of income is a blog that I started. It's called Super Simple Ways, and I haven't even updated that blog, but it still brings me consistent income of $1,500 each month. I sell t-shirts on that blog. I have blog posts on how to become a millionaire, and that's one of the favorites, and that brings me a lot of traffic. And I am partnered with an advertisement company, and they pay me ad revenue. My next source of income is YouTube. It's the newest source of income, but I still make $100 between my 2 channels, and I love making income this way, you guys. I'm only at $100, but it's okay. I know it's gonna grow. So it's YouTube, and I know you guys can help in making my YouTube channel grow. I'm at $100, but I would like to get to $1,000 by the end of this year. My next income source is my 9 to 5. I make $7,200 before taxes in my income in my regular 9 to 5. I work from home. I can still take care of my children. It's all good. It's in my profession. I am a registered nurse by profession, but I work at home, and I love it. So my next source of income is credit card rewards. Last month I made a total of $250, and basically all my business credit cards along with my personal credit cards, they all have cash rewards, and they all have some type of sign-on bonus. And last month I only made $250, and that was between Chase and Capital One. Those are really good cards. If you guys are interested, you can use my link down below in order to get those rewards and get an initial sign-on bonus for signing up for those two. Okay, my next source of income is drop shipping. We talked about my website a little bit. I sell these shirts. They're actually Christian slogan t-shirts, Be the Light. And I sell off my website, and I have different advertising sources that has been good to me over the years, and I've made over $5,800 last month drop shipping. My next source of income is coupon bundles. Well, you guys know I love to coupon. So when I have I have some detergent, I have extra toilet paper and things like that, I bundle them up and I sell them on Facebook Market page. And last month I only made $500 because I wasn't pushing it. I was busy, but I still made $500. So if you add all that stuff up, we are at over $74,000 that I made last month. You guys, I can't even believe the amount. It's a huge amount, and I'm so happy. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave a big like for your girl and comment down below, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.